Some of you may find it very strange. At the time, I was very much into Russian literature. I was reading a lot of Dostoevsky and A&T. So this young person, the first postgraduate in A&T that time, comes in as purely A&T, gets the department separated. It goes on. I mean, one would say that, okay, you've done your medicine, now you have reached the stage and most people would rest on their laurels that way. But this gentleman, a postgraduate setup, which was very few. We didn't have any courses then in medical school. And then he goes and organizes the first ever international medical conference. It was not even, not a medical otolaryngologist from Europe, from Japan, organizes and first international conference. So now he's a professor, the head of department. Most people should rest with that. He goes now and he associates himself with this. I'll tell you a small, I'm digressing a thing. Much later in life, I got to know about this. In mid-80s, we were invited to the governor house. The governor at that time was a gentleman, Mr. B.K. Nehru. And his wife, he's running a home. He's looking after kids like me and kids outside. And then he's going and doing this Abhinanda thing also. By and by, in those days only, he started with this idea, and the first unit of awareness came to be born. Setting up the Shafakat 80s, he started writing a textbook of ENT, which became immensely popular throughout the subcontinent. And he wrote Kashmir region of J&K. We have three major studies. The first whole supplement of JK practitioner, which was indexed, PubMed indexed journal at that time. Sir was actually the chief editor of the journal that time. All the studies were under, including the Sikkim Medical College. We have district mental health units at every district in Kashmir, in all the 10 districts. We have district mental health units. These resources sufficient for us. So if you go by the standards, WHO standards, we are grossly deficient. And then the WHO standards are projected on, if you compare these, the data of resources with the other states, where are we placed? I would say with the efforts of IMANS, with the efforts of in Kashmir, DMHP is a very old program. It is now almost 4 decades. It was conceptualized almost 4 decades back. I was not born at the time and when it was conceptualized. But practically, in some districts we have a district mental health unit, and in certain districts where district hospitals have been converted into medical colleges, we have a department of psychiatry working as a district mental health unit. Highlights of old robust mental health team, and we run at OPD at Discourse Pulwama, and also intermittent services at 3 SDHs, Rajpura, Tral and Pulwama, 17 and 18 only. What we did, we actually trained, sensitized all the medical officers, which Sir actually did in 1998. Margoob said response. COVID actually did something good to the mental health. Worldwide, there was an increased awareness about the mental health. So our phone numbers that time, phone number of me, Dr. Umar, everybody. The initial concept of DMHP was Dawa and Dua. It was traditional healing along with the medical healing. So whenever our psychiatrist, I think it is still continuing, and with these words, I think I need to call upon Professor Mushtaq Ahmed Margoob, who is the attend some of them through the window. And then simultaneously, this rest is history. But coming to this, today's event, this is a great pleasure. You can say also a realization of a dream that we all who are here as organizations.
Stigma attached to it and lack of manpower and resources. The Health Service Department is committed to strengthen this program overall in all the districts, especially we started from District Pulwama and we have a full-fledged unit there, and in Kashmir we focuses on community.
Meeting is merely as a witness, facts laid on the ground. I generally, my temperament of science makes me very critical about everything, about the projects, how do we do it. And I generally, one that Kashmir has been leaders in psychosocial programs.
I done my internship here in Srinagar. I was born here. I grew up here in the Habakadal area, and but I went to do medicine in Amritsar and came back. Actually, I was telling Mushtaq, I left Amritsar the day after the exam was finished. I even left my bed and everything else there, and I was planning.
Actually, I meet the people here who have understood the life in its real essence. A person like Maqbool Saab, Professor Maqbool, who started this place, a person like Honorary Secretary of this place, their whole team who are doing a selfless work without any media glare, without any exhibitionism. That's something that's very, very motivating for me. He left the medical college, sir joined after that. And trust me, there is no program in our describe him as his great motivator, as his great teacher, and that's how I came to know